Algolia is a powerful API that enhances search on websites and apps. Today, we'll explore the Storyblok Algolia plugin, which connects Storyblok content with Algolia search features. The integration ensures that content updates in Storyblok are instantly reflected in Algolia's search index. This improves search efficiency and supports flexible content management for better user engagement. For this video, I'll walk you through the installation and how to connect it to your Storyblok space. So within your Storyblok space, navigate to the app directory. And under Developer Experience, you'll find Algolia. In the upper right-hand side, you'll find the Install button. Next, navigate to the Algolia integration in the left sidebar menu. You'll see a settings dashboard, and you'll need to enter Algolia Credentials. You can click the API keys page link to find and copy them directly from your Algolia account. Once completed, save your settings. Once set, create a new index connection by clicking the New Connection button. Each connection defines a reference between Algolia and your Storyblok set of stories. It syncs the content and keeps track of changes. Now let's specify the index name. This can match an existing blank index in Algolia or be a new one. Next, use the Storyblok stories to sync by slug field to select the parts of the space you want to connect. You can choose a specific folder to sync or select the root level to connect all of your existing stories from Storyblok to Algolia. In this case, let's select the authors folder. Once you click Save Connection, all the published stories in the selected folder will be published to Algolia. When you navigate to the created connection in your Algolia app, you'll see the synchronized folders. The integration also has a content synchronization function. When you unpublish, move, add, or delete a story, it will automatically reflect within Algolia. For example, let's unpublish one of our entries. Now, let's assume you'd like to move your story from your defined folder to the root section. Again, this will also remove the record from the defined connection in Algolia. So depending on your use case, you can define as many connections as you want. Whether you need to adjust your search indexes to a specific group of stories, or sync your whole space with Algolia, this integration can meet your needs.